A shocking revelation. Former Wolverine linked to the explosive NCAA scandal. Last month, the NCAA made headlines with its ruling on the Connor Stalions advanced scouting probe. This investigation led to a 10-year show cause penalty for ex-head coach Jim Harbaugh, an 8-year show cause for Stalions himself, hefty fines slapped on the University of Michigan, and a 2-year show cause along with a suspension for head coach Sherrone Moore. But what the NCAA didn't fully disclose left many scratching their heads. Michigan had pressed the NCAA to reveal the origins of the evidence that sparked the investigation. However, the NCAA remained tight-lipped. During the investigation, linebackers coach Chris Partridge was accused of instructing players to deceive NCAA investigators. This allegation led to his termination, only to be later cleared by the NCAA. And this is the part most people miss. A recent expose by CBS Detroit's Gino Vici has shed light on the mystery. According to a private investigator's findings, the student-athlete who misled investigators about Partridge's actions is the same individual referred to as Student-Athlete 1 in the report, who surreptitiously recorded a conversation with Stalions. Intriguingly, this same person provided the unidentified private investigation firm with the incriminating materials that ultimately landed in the NCAA's hands, triggering the investigation. As reported by CBS Detroit, https www.cbsnews.com/Michigan football player unauthorized materials NCAA Connor Stalions. A private investigator has shared information with CBS News Detroit, revealing that the student-athlete who falsely accused Partridge is none other than the same individual who recorded a phone call with Stalions without his knowledge. The private investigator produced evidence showing that the same student-athlete who lied to the NCAA about Partridge and recorded a phone call with Stalions unlawfully accessed videos from the former Michigan staff member's personal computer. These videos were then passed on to the unnamed private investigation company, which promptly forwarded them to the NCAA within 24 hours, igniting the investigation. Though identities remain under wraps, logic dictates that the player in question was likely part of Partridge's linebacker unit. Moreover, given that Stalions was on the recorded call, as detailed in the NCAA report, he would presumably know the culprit's identity. But here's where it gets controversial. The CBS Detroit piece delves deeper, interviewing a Dearborn attorney who argues that Michigan has grounds for escalation beyond the NCAA appeals process to state court. Due process in state court would open the door to discovery, potentially unraveling the case. In the NCAA realm, they might not be concerned about the source of evidence. They lack rules against such practices, but in a real state court setting, akin to a criminal trial, evidence obtained illegally is considered fruit from the poisonous tree. Consequently, any data derived from such tainted evidence is deemed inadmissible, which could result in the dismissal of the case against Michigan, Merowan explained. Stay tuned as we track the unfolding saga.